Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best towel hooks is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories in any bathroom or kitchen, transforming cluttered spaces into organized sanctuaries and adding a touch of style. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wall-mounted towel hooks, exploring their diverse designs, robust materials, and innovative features to help you find the perfect solution for your home that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, ensuring your towels are always within reach and your surfaces remain tidy and presentable. Number 5. Heavy-duty stainless steel towel hooks, 4-pack black. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these hooks are built to last. They are waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring long-term use without corrosion. Featuring a sleek, contemporary design, these hooks seamlessly blend with any decor. They are perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and more. With a smooth finish and no sharp edges, cleaning is a breeze. You can safely hang various items without worrying about scratches. Installation is straightforward with all necessary hardware included. You'll have them securely mounted in no time. Despite their compact size, these hooks can support up to 11 pounds. They provide a sturdy and reliable place to hang your belongings. Keep your towels, robes, bags, and more neatly organized. These hooks help create a tidy and comfortable living space. What we like? This hook is built to last with its waterproof and rust-proof stainless steel construction. Its simple, contemporary design fits seamlessly into any decor. If you're looking for a durable and low-maintenance option for high-moisture areas like bathrooms or kitchens, this is a great choice. What people say? The hooks are very sturdy and hold towels well. Easy to install and look great in my bathroom. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my decor. Number 4. SONGMICS Wall-Mounted Coat Rack ULHR23WT. Tired of clutter? This wall-mounted rack helps you keep your entryway neat by providing a designated spot for coats, bags, and keys. Don't worry about overloading it. Each sturdy hook can hold up to 6.6 pounds, offering reliable support for even your heaviest winter jackets. Setting it up is simple. We've included clear instructions to help you easily secure this hook rack to your wall for great stability. Its versatile design fits perfectly in your entryway, living room, or bedroom. The classic white color effortlessly complements any interior decor. You'll receive a wall-mounted coat rack with 4 dual hooks, perfect for maximizing your wall space and organizing all your out-the-door essentials. What we like? This rack offers dual hooks for maximum hanging capacity and strong support for heavier items. Its classic white color blends easily with various decors. If you need to organize multiple items like coats, bags, and hats in your entryway or living room, this is an excellent solution for keeping things tidy. What people say? The hooks are sturdy and hold towels well. Easy to install and look great in my bathroom. Number 3. TOFIIGREM Brushed Nickel Double Wall Hooks. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, these hooks are built to last. They are strong enough to hold up to 55 pounds, making them perfect for your heaviest items. Installation is a breeze with the included screws and anchors. Mount them securely on any wall, closet, or wood panel in minutes. Featuring a fashionable and smooth finish, these hooks not only look great but also protect your hands and clothes from scratches. Their double hook design is perfect for hanging towels, robes, jackets, bags, and more. Use them in bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or entryways to keep your space organized. Keep your home neat and beautiful with these versatile hooks. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, adding functionality wherever you need it. Each package comes with 2 double wall-mounted hooks, along with all the necessary screws for installation. Enjoy a clutter-free space with ease. What we like? Crafted from high-quality, heavy-duty zinc alloy, these hooks are incredibly sturdy and rust-proof, capable of holding substantial weight. The smooth, curved edges protect your clothes and hands. If you need robust hooks for heavier items like backpacks or robes and appreciate a stylish, protective design, these are ideal. What people say? The hooks are very sturdy and hold towels securely. Easy to install and look great in my bathroom. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. Number 2. Dntorx Folding Coat Hooks. Tired of clutter? Our innovative hooks feature a clever 90 degrees foldable design. Simply unfold when you need them, and tuck them away when you don't, maximizing your space. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, these hooks are built to last. They are resistant to deformation and oxidation, ensuring long-term use and reliability. Don't let their sleek design fool you. Each hook is heavy-duty, capable of holding up to 40 pounds. They can easily support your coats, towels, bags, and more. Getting organized is a breeze. These hooks are designed for easy installation on any wall or solid wood surface, with all necessary hardware included for a quick setup. From your bathroom and bedroom to your kitchen and entryway, these hooks are incredibly versatile. Use them to hang towels, coats, hats, bags, robes, and almost anything else you need organized. With their simple yet elegant design and smooth finish, these hooks complement any decor. They are the perfect practical solution for keeping your home tidy and saving valuable space. What we like? The standout feature here is the foldable design, allowing you to tuck it away when not in use, maximizing your space. Made from durable zinc alloy, it's built to last. If you live in a smaller space or simply want a cleaner look when hooks aren't needed, this foldable option is perfect for you. What people say? The hooks are very sturdy and hold towels well. Easy to install and look great in my bathroom. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my decor. Number 1. Dseap 5 Tri-Hooks Wall-Mounted Coat Rack, 2 packs. Introducing a coat rack that combines a simple, stylish look with heavy-duty durability. It's built to last and complement any space. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with robust aluminum alloy hooks, this rack offers exceptional strength. It comes in a sleek black finish. Designed with your items in mind, its long projected arms and ball tips prevent tearing and sliding. Keep your coats and accessories secure. With 5 tri-hooks, it's perfect for organizing coats, hats, towels, purses, and more. Ideal for entryways, bathrooms, kitchens, and closets. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware. We offer a lifetime quality guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with this essential home organizer. What we like? This option boasts 5 tri-hooks, offering ample hanging space and a smart design to prevent items from tearing or sliding off. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it's built for longevity. If you need to hang a variety of items like coats, hats, and towels in a busy area like an entryway or mudroom, this multi-hook rail is a highly practical choice. What people say? The hooks are very sturdy and hold towels well. Easy to install and look great in my bathroom. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.